Arvind Kejriwal. So in some time from now, he will be formally resigning as the Delhi Chief Minister. Atishi will be taking charge as his successor for the remainder of the term. This is coming across as a big development as Tetri is with us right now. Times Now breaking this news first here on the channel. Tetri, is Atishi going to be Arvind Kejriwal's successor?
Well, yes, what we are being told is that Sandeep Pathak started addressing the MLAs and then post that Dilip Pandey had put forward the name of Atishi, and as of now, all MLAs have agreed upon the name and soon official announcement will be made. We are reporting just outside the CM's residence, and in fact, we will show you the visuals over here that what kind of movement is happening over here, and in fact, what we are expecting that any time from now, an official announcement will be made soon so as to who will be the Chief Minister. But what we are picking up is that Atishi's name was put forward, and all the MLAs who were present in that particular meeting have agreed upon the name of Atishi. Atishi, a senior minister, holds most of the cabinet posts and of course considered to be a close aide of Manish Sisodia. Apart from that, she has in fact also worked with Manish Sisodia and also a close confidant of Arvind Kejriwal as well. Also remember that she had also addressed several press conferences while Arvind Kejriwal was in Tihar jail, and she was the only one who was chosen by Arvind Kejriwal to hoist the flag on the 15th of August. Again, we will show you the visuals. All eyes on this particular gate so as to who will be coming now and making the announcement. So as to officially announcement of Atishi as the next Chief Minister, the successor of Arvind Kejriwal will be Atishi, and in fact this will be certainly a major announcement. 4:30 p.m. is the time when Arvind Kejriwal is expected to tender his resignation. But this particular moment, this particular in fact announcement will be a very important announcement, because Atishi, as I told, has considered to be a close confidant, and her name was as the front runner. She was the top and the front runner amongst the race so as to who will be the Chief Minister. And anytime from now the announcement can be made.
Times Now, as we are confirming the information, as Tetri was pointing out, that Atishi being one of the front runners in the race, and of course Sabyasachi, within the party itself, there has been a rapid rise within the ranks of the party for Atishi.
Well, absolutely. See, after Arvind Kejriwal and other senior leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party went inside the jail, Atishi took the charge of the Aam Aadmi Party here in the national capital. She led from the front, whether different campaigns of the AAP, if you talk about during the Lok Sabha polls, as well as several protests against the BJP regarding the arrest of Arvind Kejriwal, Manish Sisodia. Atishi used to be there at the front, and in fact, the first hint that was given by Arvind Kejriwal right after coming outside Tihar jail, when he holded the press conference, addressed the party workers in the party office here in the national capital. He said that before the 15th August unfurling of the national flag, in fact 3 days before, he wrote a letter to Lieutenant Governor naming Atishi, that in his place it would be Atishi who would be hoisting the national flag. And clearly now Atishi's name has come up to be the successor of Arvind Kejriwal and to be the CM of the national capital. Meanwhile, we have seen that the main decision maker of the Aam Aadmi Party continues to be Arvind Kejriwal. Even Saurabh Bharadwaj has said that this particular post will always remain with Arvind Kejriwal.
Just stay on with us, Tetri, and Sabyasachi getting us that information. Times Now being the first channel to confirm the news. Sirsa Saab is with us right now. Sirsa Saab, खबर ये आ रही है सर कि अतीशी बनेंगी नई दिल्ली की मुख्यमंत्री केजरीवाल जब इस्तीफा देंगे सर। मनजिंदर सिंह सिरसा जी, all right, getting more information as far as reactions that are also concerned, because the role of Atishi, Tetri, more than 10 portfolios are the one that she's been handling. She's been the vanguard, she's been the face of the national capital by the time when Arvind Kejriwal and top leaders were behind the bars. She's been handling Delhi governance.
Well, absolutely, and in fact, she was also working closely for the education policy. She was working with Manish Sisodia as well. She, being the women face, also could, in fact, help Aam Aadmi Party to gain more public attention as far as the national capital is concerned. Apart from that, she is also considered to be very much vocal, and then she is considered to be a close aide of Arvind Kejriwal, and she also holds the portfolio of Ministry of Education, Higher Education, PWD, Water, Power, Services, Vigilance, and Public Relations itself. So all these portfolios, after Manish Sisodia resigned, most of the portfolios were distributed between Atishi and Kailash Gehlot. But Atishi had n number of portfolios, and that, as you rightly mentioned, that while Arvind Kejriwal was in Tihar jail, she used to hold the press conferences. However, representative was Sunita Kejriwal, but she was the one who used to counter the BJP, who used to meet the leaders as well. We'll once again show you the visuals that what's happening over here. MLAs have come over here. All the MLAs are inside. And also let me tell you that 57 is the number of MLAs who are present inside this particular meeting. And apart from that, let me also tell you that the total number of MLAs is 62. But 3 left the party. 2 MLAs are in jail. That is Satyendra Jain and Amanatullah Khan. So a maximum number of MLAs who have chosen Atishi, or who have endorsed Atishi as their chief minister, as their legislative party leader, is the 57. So all 57 of them have agreed upon the name. Yesterday also in the PAC meeting, Atishi's name was kept forward, and now today it's finalized. And in fact, let me tell you that Times Now since day one has been saying that Atishi is not only the front runner but top in the front runners, because there were 5 to 6 names that were floating as front runners, but Atishi was the front runner, is what we had confirmed yesterday itself.
But Tekshri, is she the consensus candidate? Because she herself has been